Hi there. Okay, I got this hooked up with Y cable. One channel is going into my little Roland Cube 30 RX, and the other is going into my Fender Deluxe Hot Rod Deluxe. Okay, and I just want to see how it sounds. All right, let's find out. Right now, this is going into the Roland. And this is the piezo pickups. And it is going into the JC 120 channel. I'm not even trying to play anything, I'm just trying to let you hear the tone. This has got kind of a low buzzy action for that pickup setting, but and meanwhile, this other amplifier over here that I'm even sending any signal to is making a noise, picking up something from somewhere. But I do have the gain set on that, which sounds like so that could be why. Back to the piezo again there, which makes it more of a percussive, like an acoustic guitar basically. It reads the wood more than it picks up the signal for the pickups and stuff. And that thing's still making noise there. And even when I hook up to it, I suppose it's all the fluorescents and computers in here, I don't know. I never usually hear that turned down quite like that. Or maybe it's this cheap ass cable here that it's just a little Y cable that the guy gave it with me to me with the guitar, so I could split them. And then maybe that's it. Maybe it's because it's split between a tube amp and a solid state. I don't know. But yeah, I'm having fun here. Okay. Anyway, the guy I got this from explained to me that this setting, the piezo setting, he said that's a heavy metal channel, but it's just because it buzzes a tiny bit. The saddles could come up just the tiniest hair. Unless you like the raspy sound, which a lot of people do, so. So in some ways this thing's about perfect, except for that right there. But probably turn the gain down, then amp a little bit just because. I may need a noise gate for my Fender. that for right now.